So it's the next morning. In case you can't tell, I'm already packed up and moving along. Moving along to the creek that was about 2 feet down. And there is no rock hopping this. I'm going to have to walk through and drench my shoes first thing in the morning. Crap. Off we go. I didn't cross that creek yesterday because I heard that there wasn't a campsite for a ways up. There was one about 10 feet right across the creek. Wet shoes all day for no reason. Hindsight's 20/20, baby. Beautiful morning. It's just shy of 7 o'clock, I think. Going over some crazy stuff. The guy just told me he was going northbound, so he said it's probably the most beautiful section he's seen so far. So. We're in the area just under Cottonwood Pass. I think I could actually see where the parking area starts, but this whole area is just unbelievable. You could sit here all day and just find something new to look at. Like, this is ridiculous. The views are just endless. So we'll give you a little look right now and continue on our way. Looks like you can actually see where we're going. So it looks like it zigzags right up the mountain there. But I'll give you a look. It's crazy. So we made it to Cottonwood Pass. That was a hell of a climb. And now it looks like we're going all the way up there. It's like all climb today. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Off we go. So there is still considerable snow covering the actual trail, so another one of the choose your own adventure paths, almost to the top. Made it to the top of the third pass. It's 1:30. Whew, heavy breathing. Snow behind me, so we have to walk down that snow, but another incredible view. It's like non-stop up here. About a mile from water. I'll sit down, have lunch, and see if I'm gonna push on throughout the day. But take a look at this view. This is unreal. This place is like, for my New England, New Hampshire folk, this is like Franconia Ridge, like on steroids. This is, look. We're about to go up the fourth pass, which I think is this right here. I can see a trail running up it and over it, so I am exhausted. This is a lot of elevation, a lot of descent, and just a lot of heavy breathing, hard work, so forgive me if I don't record as much going ahead. So we made it to the top of the fourth pass today. So it's been a hell of a climb, and now we got to go down and up one more, and then hopefully down that. So looking forward to it.
One more.
Yeah, there it is. You can see it right over there.
Is that what you remember?
You can see the zigzags right up the side. It's gonna be gnarly. We made it to the top of number 5. Round of applause. For all of you, not just for me. For all of us. That's a hell of a climb. It's a lot of climbing. I think it's like 5,000 feet of ascent from where we started.
Rocky. And
it's rocky as hell. It's out in the open. But damn, the views! The views are outrageous up here. So this is like nothing I've ever seen before. So now to get about 3 or 4 miles back down to kind of civilization, I suppose. Alright, so we've just come down about 900 switchbacks. I think we're 0.4 from the area where there's supposed to be a campsite. I'm pretty freaking tired, pretty hungry. So I don't know what else I'll show tonight, but